Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Product of the Week. I'm your maker and host Robin Mitchell. In today's episode we'll be looking at the BeagleBoard PocketBeagle 2, a miniature single-board computer that may look adorable, but has a seriously powerful bite. Or should I say, bite? No? Okay, never mind. Cue the intro. If you want a chance to win one of these, then tell us what you'll do with it in the YouTube comments and we'll announce the winner soon. The BeagleBoard PocketBeagle 2, as the name suggests, is an upgraded version of the BeagleBoard PocketBeagle, which itself is an ultra-compact, low-cost single-board computer. Targeted at developers, students, and makers, this machine gives you some serious compute capability when considering its tiny size, and not only does it provide you with a compute platform, but one that has extensive I/O. What makes this single-board computer really awesome is what it provides for its size and cost. While machines like the Raspberry Pi may have more RAM and processing power, what they lack is, well, a lot of features that engineers really need in single-board computer systems. For example, the BeagleBoard PocketBeagle 2 has 52 digital I/O, making it far more capable in hardware projects. When considering that it also has an integrated single-core ARM Cortex M4 MCU at up to 400 MHz, you get real-time I/O capabilities combined into a mainstream compute environment. Alright, let's talk about what's actually inside this little tiny powerhouse. Don't let the size fool you. The PocketBeagle 2 packs a serious punch. At its heart is the Texas Instruments AM6254 SoC, which is a quad-core 64-bit ARM Cortex A53 running up to 1.4 GHz, with L1 and L2 caches and ECC memory protection. There's also a single-core Cortex M4 MCU running at 400 MHz, giving you real-time control, and a dual-core PRU subsystem that runs at 333 MHz for ultra-fast hardware interfacing. The PocketBeagle 2 also comes with 512 MB of LPDDR4 RAM, fast enough to handle decent workloads, and a micro SD card slot for expandable storage. On the hardware side, it has 72 expansion pins, including 52 digital I/O, 8 analog inputs, USB, power, and battery lines. Power is provided either by a USB-C cable or 5 volts directly through the cape header. And for debugging, there is a UART debug port and a 10-pin JTAG connector. The PocketBeagle 2 also has some nice user touches, power and boot buttons, plus LED indicators, one for power, one for battery charging, and 4 user-controllable LEDs. And all of this fits in a tiny 55 by 35mm PCB, weighing just 12.7 grams. The high GPIO count and secondary MCU core makes the BeagleBoard PocketBeagle 2 especially ideal for real-time low-latency projects, including robotics, CNCs, and machinery. The main CPU core can provide you with a complex high-level interface such as a web server or remote desktop, while the MCU is providing the low-latency I/O business, and combining these two together makes for a really powerful system. The BeagleBoard PocketBeagle 2 would also be ideal for IoT devices that need power of a small desktop while having the ability to communicate with various sensors and devices. Thanks to the numerous buses, including SPI, UART, and I2C, it's virtually impossible to not get this board to talk with your favorite hardware, making them capable of intelligent edge systems. Of course, there is no native networking, but you should easily be able to solve this with a network bridge such as an ESP8266 or some other UART-capable interface. Finally, this board is perfect for replacing microcontrollers and single-board computers in applications where space is a virtue, and there is no need for a high-power, high-memory capable system. Its small size, low cost, and feature-rich nature means that the devices, like the Pi, can easily be replaced. And that wraps up this week's Product of the Week. The BeagleBoard PocketBeagle 2 might look small, but as we've seen, it's got the kind of performance and flexibility that makes it a serious contender in the embedded world. Whether you're building a robot, an IoT gateway, or just looking for a board that gives you real control over your own hardware, the PocketBeagle 2 delivers without the fluff, and without breaking the bank. It's one of those boards that reminds you just how far open hardware has come. If you like what we do here at Electromaker and want to show your support, then hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and head over to the official Electromaker Store where you can get this and everything else you could possibly need, and I'll see you next time.